Carolina Nonwovens produces fiber pads that are used for thermal and acoustic insulation. We have 2 manufacturing facilities. The industries we serve are automotive, appliance, bedding, construction, and cold chain packaging. Before Plex, we had an ERP system that we established in 1999, and we had a MRP system that I'm not sure even still exists, and the 2 operated independently of each other, so we had to continually transfer data from one to another.
Every period end, before we would start closing the period, there would always be the running joke between the controller and I of what's going to be the surprise this month. What are we going to have to chase down to understand?
We would have losses of material, yield losses, and at the end of the month, we wouldn't be able to determine where those yield losses came from and what a specific cause was, and we would try to fix things and they wouldn't get fixed because I think many times we were going after the wrong root cause of the problem.
One of the big things we're looking for is how do we have a system that more organically works with what we do, that we'll be able to really pull data, get information, and do all our accounting and inventory functions seamlessly inside of one system.
Plex was being used by 2 of our customers, and they just raved about how good Plex was, and so we decided to take a look. We took a look at a couple other systems, and Plex just seemed to be a little bit more intuitive. We got going in late April of 2024, and we were live with Plex by the end of September of that year. So it was a little bit over 5 months from the time that we jumped in to the time that we went live.
We did not run parallels. 1 month, we shut down the legacy system, and the next month we started up in Plex. I've been through a lot of implementations with a number of different systems and companies. First one with Plex, it was by far the easiest that I've been through. We were in a fortunate position that we had some people that we could dedicate 100% to the implementation. And by having those resources that were dedicated, not drawn away, trying to run another job, another process, I think that's where we were able to pull off the miracle, and in 7 months, shut one system down, start another one up.
The way I use Plex every day helps with scheduling. As I put out a new schedule every single day, we are able to look at what we've shipped recently, what we're going to be shipping the next couple of weeks, using the material planning report to determine when I need to order new raw materials and communicate with my team based on what I see through the system. My lead operator is able to look at the job dispatch, the control panel, look at what job we're currently running, especially as they come into the shift, and communicate to the team, these are the materials that we need, this is what needs to be loaded up. He's also able to tell them what job we're going to next, so we can start preparing for any sort of blend change, product change, even pattern changes. And then quality obviously uses the system to input all of our quality data, generate our COAs. Plex has just been very intuitive for all of us. Everyone took to it really fast.
If you look at Maiden, our older facility, the OEE when we started up was in the low 60s, and we moved up to the high 70s. And why? We can go in and look at what happened each day, what happened each shift, and what happened on each lot that drove OEE numbers.
We know for sure what we're doing well versus where our challenges are, but in addition to that, now that we have Plex, we know specifically how to drill down to attack those challenges and improve on those areas.
And we do a weekly kind of roll-up review with Plex now. We know before we even start closing a period with high-level accuracy, what are the numbers going to be? So the clarity and visibility that we have of our operations, of our P&L, is quadruple compared to where we were with the legacy system.